So we're going to see now how to add a soundtrack. Now to add a soundtrack, you have to click on this on the right side panel, right? You click on Essential Sound. There is something called Edit. There is something called Browse. When you go to Browse, there are these already pre available soundtracks. So you can click on anything. So say you want, you can have filters over here. You want dreamy. Okay, it will automatically change. Now when the choose whatever we choose, it changes over here underneath. Okay, I'll just so I if I'm choosing angry, also it shows peaceful calm only. Okay, I think it shows both. Yeah, if I remove this dreamy and just have angry, determined power. So you can choose whatever you want. I'm not going to give any filter over here. Just allow it to whatever is there. When I play, the music I'm having. So now if I want to add the track over here, I'll just click. Second. So I'll get my marker in the beginning. So I have to add this to the project. Okay. So அப்ப எனக்கு இங்க add it will get added over here in my library.
மேடம் நான் சார்ஜ் போறேன்.
Stock audio media, right? Then I can click and drag it over here. I can trim it this so I can keep my marker at the edge, use my blade, razor tool, and when I click over here, it will be trimmed into two parts. So I can then take my select tool, click on the right part and delete it. So now when I So I've just trimmed it. I have not faded it. There is option for fading also. We'll do that in the next class. But you have to, what we have seen is you can choose an audio from here. There are a lot of audios available. As you scroll down, you'll see a lot of audios. Just add it to your project. Then you will be seeing it in your time, in your import this frame over here. Just drag and drop. Keep your marker in the point, or you can take your blade and cut it to the point that you want. Or another way of doing it is in the நம்மளோட we can use this right arrow and then reduce this and increase this. But the only problem is the scale will be much bigger. So for you to come from there to do it will be an issue. You can try either ways. And then yeah. So you can add this and then you video.
மேடம்